Welcome to Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Chris Dines.
Now, what part of the world did you come from?
I came from Indiana, near Chicago.
Okay, and what'd you come out with? I know you brought your sweetheart with you.
Yeah, I brought my wife. We've had a lot of back problems and a lot of pain, knees, shoulders, and we just wanted to. We saw videos. We wanted to check it out.
And I know I saw you in Huntington. I saw you down here. And what kind of experience have you had?
Nothing but great experience, actually. I mean, we've been. I had a miraculous recovery very quickly, which was amazing to me. Which the truth is, I came a little bit ahead of my wife originally, and I went back and she saw how well I was feeling, and she said, "Okay, I'll go." so now we both come, and it's been awesome. The people are great. The accommodations are nice. But in both places, but here there's fine.
Okay, you're coming from America. Okay, now I don't know if you know this, but we're the largest or the sickest industrialized nation in the world. Why not take medications? Why not take drugs? What's the deal?
Well, I've been that route before, and it almost killed me. But
what happened?
I had extreme ear disease and many surgeries, and was misdiagnosed and spent 10 days in a coma.
Oh, shit.
And I gave up on that. It didn't fix me anyway.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so the medical care put you 10 days in a coma. Okay, but also, I mean, it takes a strength of character to say, look, man, doctors, you're the best doctors in the world, except you don't know your butt from a hole in the ground.
Honestly, I feel like if you were in an emergency and had a broken bone and needed to put back together, they're perfect.
100%.
But if it comes to medical care, I personally don't see the care, and I think it's about the medicine and not about people.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Now, what could you, because you're talking common symptoms that could be treated with steroids, antibiotics, all the other stuff. Cortisone.
Yeah.
And they got that to you.
I have had a cortisone shot in the past and in my shoulder, and it did make me feel good for a very short time. But after it wore out, it was worse. So,
wow.
Yeah.
So, what could you tell someone out there who's got joint pain, back pain, knee pain? You know, they're pissed off. They're taking the daily Tylenol and muscle relaxant.
I tell you, we've got to unlearn some of the things we've been taught, and maybe trust somebody that's worthy of trust. He's a good guy, and he knows what he's talking about, and it works.
Oh, God bless you, man. Yeah, your body is designed to live here. Okay, you're made in the image and likeness of God, and pain is never the problem. Pain is never the problem. Pain is the fire alarm telling you that there's something that's got to be done. Okay, and no one talks like that.
There's so much that we don't know about ourselves that we need to learn, and that's why we don't talk that way, in my opinion. But a learning experience.
Take care of yourself. If you can't get here, to get to somewhere else that's going to take an x-ray, do some stuff to you, and then take another x-ray and show that they fixed the stuff they found on the first x-ray. Your post x-ray looked bitching.
Thanks. I'm amazed by it. I have to tell you, I feel better I'm just about to turn 57. I feel 200% better than I felt at 47. And I've only been coming here for 9 months. So,
yeah, baby. Yeah, I'm going to be 65 in 2 days. Oh,
there you go.
Stay.
Still whoop you.
It is kind of physical. Stay healthy. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all.